So good day everyone. Today we have a problem to solve. It's all about the C program. So our question for today is to write a C program that will ask the user to input a number and display the Pascal triangle. So before we start, we need to understand what is a Pascal's triangle in order to solve that. So Pascal's triangle is the easiest way to construct a Pascal triangle is to start at row 0 and write only the number 1. From there, to obtain the numbers in the following rows, add the number directly above and to the left of the number. So, with the number above and to the right of it, if there are no numbers on the left or the right side, replace a 0 for that missing number and proceed with addition. So, we have here the illusion of rows 0 to 5. So, mauni ang image sa Pascal's triangle. So, let's start. For the hashtag include stdio.h. This includes the standard input or output library. So, this is for functions like printf and scanf. So, without it, the program will run or process. It won't proceed. So we have the main function. Next, the int main, open and close parentheses and curly brackets, the int for the integers, the n, the I, comma, line, comma, num, comma, and then space, and then the semicolon. This line declares the integer variables to store the number of rows for the n. Mo na ang n kay rows. And then the loop counters is the I or the line. Mo na ang loop counters the I or line. For the num, this is the current number in the triangle. And the number of spaces before each number kay space. So next, we have the clearing screen, the CLR, SCR, the open parenthesis, and then the semicolon. This clears the console screen. So, para malimpyo siya ba? Dili siya hugaw tanaw. So next is we have the user input. Printf, the open parenthesis, the quotation, enter the number of rows for Pascal's triangle, the colon, quotation, close parenthesis, and semicolon. Then the next line, we have the scanf, the open parenthesis, the quotation, the percentage, then d, or the modulus, just d, and then the n, ampersand and n, and then close parenthesis and the semicolon. So for this line, this prompts the user to enter the desired number of rows for Pascal triangle. So for Pascal triangle, it's just a user, and then the reads the input value from user and stores it in the in variable or the rows katong n. So we have here the next line. This is the outer loop rows. Then outer loop rows, they know looping is 4. And then the open parenthesis, line equals 0, semicolon, line greater than, and the semicolon, line, and then the plus plus or the this is what we call the increment. So mag plus yung 1, and then the close parenthesis, and then open curly braces or brackets. The next line is num equals to 1, semicolon. So kaninga line, this means to iterates over each row of the triangle from 0 to n negative 1 or n minus 1, and then initialize the number variable to 1 for the first number in each row. Ano yan means kaninga line. Then next, we have before the open parenthesis space equals to 0, semicolon, space greater than n, minus 1 ay minus line, and then minus 1 then semicolon, then the space, and then plus plus or the increment itong mag-add ka, and then the close parenthesis, the next line printf, the open parenthesis, quotation, and then the space. So this is very important po kayo magbasa dyan sa spacing side. Pila ka butang ng space mo sa diyang ang outcome dito or output mo gawas. So you have to be very cautious with this. And then the close parenthesis and then semicolon. This means to print the necessary number of spaces before each row to align the triangle. The number of spaces decreases with each row. Itong mag-true kasi or false, kung mag-add-add kasi ara na siya magsugod. Next is we have the inner loop numbers. So looping na siya but inner loop, and then for the numbers, for open parenthesis, I is equal to 0, semicolon, I is greater than equal to line, semicolon, and I plus plus or increment. So same process kaya kung mag-choose or false mag-add siya or not false. Then open curly brackets or braces, printf, open parenthesis, quotation, modulus for the quotation, and comma number, close parenthesis, and then semicolon. Num equals num, and then asterisk, open parenthesis, line, the minus to the I, and then slash, and then I plus 1, then close parenthesis, the semicolon, and then to be followed by the close curly braces or brackets. This is to erase over each number in the current row, and it also prints the current value of num with a fixed width of 4 characters. So meaning 4 characters na and then calculates the next number in the row using the binomial coefficient that we have. And then the new line, the printf, no? Arita mag-new line, printf, close parenthesis, quotation, backslash n, quotation, go ng tani new line, then close parenthesis with semicolon. Moves cursor to the next line after printing each row. And then the end of the main function, the closed curly braces or brackets. This is to closes the main function here. Then the end of programming, by using the catch, by open and close parenthesis, and with a closed curly brace or brackets. Mona siya. And then you have to run. Then the problem is solved.